Today's December 4th. Just cleaning out the pen a little bit. They got a little messy today. Jinx really likes the hose. Just like Mommy. She was playing with it a lot earlier. The rest are all playing in the puddle. Pumpkin, lover of all toys, is in heaven right now. It's Draco at the hose. And that's Luna. Hey Jinx, what's up? You're gonna be a lot like your mommy, aren't you? That's Pumpkin. That's Raven. And Luna. We all want to go outside. Now that you're wet, I'm not letting you run in the dirt. So, later. It's Draco. It's Jinx. Luna again. And Miss Pumpkin with her toys. And it looks like Draco is trying to escape. Hey, you! What are you doing? I'm in trouble.